really doesn't like to be that loud.
They are. They are so loud. They are so loud, and it doesn't stop. All from the time the sun comes up, from the time the sun goes down, it's just noise. It is just craziness. I'm like, sometimes I yell out the window, "Shut up!" and they don't even do a freaking thing.
They still keep chirping?
No!
Even when you yell, "Shut up"?
I swear to God. It's so bad.
So you're gonna take a shotgun.
Isn't that what scares the shot? I can't believe they chirped that loud. You have no idea, Dee. It is so unbelievably loud in the back. Shut